In today's video we will fix the LG monitor speaker not working on Mac, audio output, HDMI or USB-C and sound fix. The fix one, you can select LG monitor as audio output on the Mac devices. So firstly click on Apple menu, then go to the system settings or system preferences. Now click on sound and then after here select output and then select your LG monitor. Fix 2, you can check monitor volume and setting. Press monitor menu button, go to audio or sound settings, then after increase the volume and make sure it's not muted. The fix 3, reconnect the monitor. Unplug monitor cable, wait for 10 seconds and plug it back in. And then after you can restart your Mac. Now we move to our final fix. Check sound format, means audio MIDI setup. So firstly open your audio MIDI setup. Select LG monitor. Now set format to 44.1 kHz, means kilohertz, or 48 kilohertz, and then test the sound. Goodbye.